Question. Some people believe that the academic success of students depends on good teachers at schools. Others think that it depends on the attitude and determination of the students. Discuss both these views and give your opinion. Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. Model Answer 1. While some people opine that the academic excellence of students is determined by good mentors at schools, others believe that students' academic success is a matter of their attitude and willpower. This essay will outline both perspectives and assert that while a good teacher can provide effective lessons, it is ultimately a student's positive mindset and will which determine his or her academic success. Those in favor of adept teachers for learners' academic excellence argue that good tutors play the most important role in students' academic success. That is to say that they deliver effective lectures so that students have a deep comprehension of the subject matter, helping them to acquire better grades. For example, a recent study shows that if teachers break down complex concepts, give clear explanations and provide relevant examples, students' grades increase by 30%. Proponents of learners' determination and hard work for better academic performance say that the blend of attitude and determination contributes to their academic success. Positive attitude and firm determination generate pupils' motivation, driving them to succeed academically. Put simply, when students possess a positive mindset and resolve, they are more likely to put in a great deal of effort in order to pursue educational goals. For instance, a student who is determined to acquire high grades in examinations may be more likely to dedicate hours to studying, completing assignments, and so on. Besides, no matter how competent a teacher is, if the pupil lacks the required motivation to pursue good grades, nothing can help them. For these reasons, I think students' attitude and determination exceeds all other factors in importance in pursuit of academic success. To conclude, although good teachers provide students with effective lectures, a student's attitude and determination towards learning are ultimately the principal contributors to his or her academic outcome and achievements. Model Answer 2. The factors contributing to students' academic success have long been a topic of heated debate. Some argue that good teachers are the key to academic achievement, while others believe that students' attitudes and determination play a more significant role. This essay will discuss both viewpoints and present an opinion that a combination of good teachers and student determination is essential for academic success. Proponents of the importance of good teachers argue that educators are instrumental in shaping students' learning experiences and outcomes. Effective teachers not only impart knowledge but also inspire and motivate students to reach their full potential. They employ innovative teaching methods, provide individualized attention, and create a supportive learning environment. For example, a teacher who recognizes a student's unique strengths and weaknesses can tailor their instruction to meet that student's specific needs, thereby enhancing their understanding and retention of the material. Good teachers can also ignite a passion for learning, making students more engaged and interested in their studies. On the other hand, those who emphasize the importance of students' attitudes and determination argue that intrinsic motivation is the primary driver of academic success. A student's commitment to their education, their willingness to put in the necessary effort, and their persistence in the face of challenges are crucial determinants of their performance. For instance, a highly motivated student who is dedicated to their studies is likely to excel, even in the absence of exceptional teaching. This perspective highlights the idea that no matter how skilled a teacher may be, without the student's active participation and effort, academic success is unlikely. In my opinion, both good teachers and student determination are essential for academic success. While effective teachers can provide the guidance, support, and resources necessary for learning, students must also be motivated and committed to their education to fully benefit from these opportunities. In conclusion, good teachers can inspire and guide students, while students' motivation and hard work are necessary to achieve their academic goals. Therefore, the synergy between dedicated teachers and determined students creates an optimal learning environment where academic achievement can thrive. Model Answer 3. The academic success of students is a multifaceted issue that has been the subject of debate among educators, parents, and policymakers. Some argue that the quality of teachers is the most crucial factor in determining students' academic outcomes, while others believe that the attitude and willpower of learners are more important. In this essay, I will discuss both perspectives and opine that a combination of both can ensure better academic performance by students. On the other hand, some contend that the mindset and perseverance of the students play the most significant role in their academic performance. This perspective emphasizes the importance of students' aspirations, self-motivation, and resilience. Students who are determined to succeed are likely to put in the necessary effort to overcome challenges, seek out additional resources when needed, and persist in their studies despite obstacles. It is evident that only a few learners from a classroom do excellent academically, and the rest fail to reach the same level despite having the same teachers teaching them. This is because those top few have put in additional effort and have aspirations to succeed. On the other hand, those who support the view that good teachers are the most important aspect of academic success for learners point out that teachers can motivate their students, deliver lectures that are interesting and interactive, and can inspire learners in a way that paves the path to the young learner's academic success. It is undeniable that young learners need the motivation to study, learn, and perform well in exams, and a good teacher has a great contribution to help them achieve it. Teachers have an even greater influence on students than their parents, and they can use this advantage to motivate learners to study and learn the way they should be. Moreover, they can customize their lessons to help all pupils in a classroom to make the topic easy to understand. In my opinion, both viewpoints have merit, and in reality, academic success is likely influenced by a combination of both factors. Effective teaching can ignite a student's passion for learning and provide the guidance necessary to achieve academic goals. Simultaneously, a student's personal drive and work ethic are essential for taking advantage of educational opportunities and for personal growth. In conclusion, while both elements are essential, the synergy between dedicated teachers and motivated students creates the most conducive environment for academic success.